Hi everyone. In this today's video I am going to show how I created my model in I converted my model from Agisoft Metashape to Virtual Surveyor, so that I created the DTM, digital terrain model, easily by just using the software. That is, I by using the Virtual Surveyor, how I got the ground points. Okay, this is my 3D model in Agisoft Metashape. This is my 3D model, and this is my orthomosaic TIF image. Similarly, this is my DTM file, digital elevation model file, but my requirement is DTM, digital terrain model. That means I don't require the points of this roof or of this building, but I require only the points of this ground. So what I did, I just exported the two files. One, the orthomosaic file, that is the TIF file. Just I export the orthomosaic as the TIF file. Similarly, for the DEM also, I also export the DEM file as the as in TIF format. Okay. Then after I open my new window for the Virtual Surveyor, then I just imported two files. One DEM file. This is the DEM file from the Agisoft. Similarly, this is the orthomosaic file from the Metashape. Then if we combine these two files, then by using our mouse cursor, this roller of this mouse cursor, if I just click and drag this mouse cursor, I can see the orthomosaic view. I can combine the orthomosaic and the elevation DEM elevation digital elevation model. I can combine both, and I can see this model in 3D like this one. For example, if I go to this river side, and if I just uncheck my orthomosaic file, then I can see that this is my DEM file. My DEM file is like 12 centimeter per pixel, so this is not a good DEM file, but anyway we can see that the DEM, and we can combine the orthomosaic to get the results. Okay, this is my orthomosaic file, this is my DEM file. If we combine this, we can combine both this in Virtual Surveyor. Similarly, what I did, I used the option, the point grid option, and here we have the options like the low pass option. It will give us the ground points. So just I created the ground points, and these are my ground points. You can see these are my ground points for, I think is for interval 5 meter. I can reduce the interval to 2 meters so that we can get the more dense ground points. If we see at this, okay, at the air, we can see this is the tree, and there is no point, this yellow point. We can see this is on the ground, but not on this tree. Similarly, not on this building. Okay. Similarly, if we just go on and see, we can see these are the ground points, and these points don't lie on this building or on this 3D object, not on the surface, but only on the terrain, digital terrain model. This way we can get the points on the ground. Similarly, we can do the triangulation, we can do the contour and everything. In this way, this can help us to create the contour based on the DTM using the Virtual Surveyor. But we need to get the orthomosaic file and the DEM file both in TIF format in Agisoft Metashape or in any software. Then we can import in Virtual Surveyor and do our remaining works of DTM. Okay, we can see. Okay, there are no points for this building also.